Milan, the capital of the Lombardy region in northern Italy, is one of the most important cultural, economic, and historical cities in the country. Known for its rich history, fashion, art, and commerce, Milan offers a dynamic blend of tradition and modernity. Historical overview. Ancient and medieval history. Milan's history dates back to ancient times when it was a Celtic settlement. It became a significant city in the Roman Empire and later, during the Middle Ages, it was a powerful duchy. Renaissance and beyond. During the Renaissance, Milan was a major cultural and artistic center. The city has been ruled by various powers over the centuries, including the Spanish, Austrians, and French, each leaving their mark on its cultural and architectural heritage. Key attractions. Duomo di Milano. The Milan Cathedral is one of the largest and most impressive Gothic cathedrals in the world. Known for its stunning facade and panoramic views from the rooftop. Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. This historic shopping gallery, with its elegant glass and iron structure, is home to luxury shops, cafes, and restaurants. Teatro alla Scala, one of the world's most famous opera houses, hosting performances by some of the greatest artists in opera and ballet. Castello Sforzesco, a historic fortress that now houses several museums and art collections, including works by Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci. Santa Maria del Grazie, a church and convent that houses Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece, The Last Supper. Economy and industry. Fashion and design. Milan is recognized globally as a leading fashion and design capital, home to prestigious fashion houses and the annual Milan Fashion Week. Finance and commerce. The city is a financial hub, hosting Italy's stock exchange and numerous multinational corporations and banks. Industry. Milan is also a center for various industries, including automotive, publishing, and media. Culture and arts. Museums and galleries. The city boasts numerous museums and art galleries, such as the Pinacoteca di Brera, the Museo del Novecento, and the Triennale di Milano. Music and performing arts. Besides La Scala, Milan has a vibrant music scene with many theaters and venues hosting a wide range of performances. Cuisine. Milanese cuisine is known for dishes like risotto alla Milanese, cotoletta alla Milanese, and panettone, a traditional Christmas cake. Lifestyle and urban environment. Education. Milan is home to several prestigious universities and institutions, including the University of Milan, Bocconi University, and the Politecnico di Milano. Public spaces. The city offers many parks and green spaces, such as Parco Sempione and the Indro Montanelli Public Gardens. Transportation. Milan has an extensive public transportation system, including buses, trams, and a metro network, as well as being a major hub for high-speed trains and international flights. Modern development. Architecture. The cityscape is a mix of historic buildings and modern architecture, exemplified by the innovative Porta Nuova district and the Bosco Verticale, vertical forest, residential towers. Innovation. Milan is a center for innovation and technology, with numerous startups and tech companies contributing to its dynamic economy. Milan's unique combination of historical significance, cultural richness, and modern vibrancy makes it a city of immense appeal and importance, both in Italy and internationally. Please stay with us as we continue our pilgrimage to the holy shrines of Italy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.